Okay, so hello my people. Today I am going to show you how to get YouTube with no ads on your PCs. Now, first thing we're going to do is open up Chrome. And as we do that, we'll want to go to Advanced. Just type in Advanced. And click on that. Now, right here, it will take you to this site where you can go on this top right corner. Just click on PC for Enhancer. Now you want to install this extension to your Chrome. Mine's already installed. And now to get YouTube on your PC, it is as easy as saying 1, 2, 3. YouTube. Open YouTube. Now when YouTube is loaded, just go to the 3 dots there. More tools, create shortcut. And this will give you this option. Click as open as window and create your YouTube. Now see, that isn't so hard. You can do it. Let's see. Here it is. Where do I want to go? YouTube. Oh my, let me click on this YouTube. Oh my, you have YouTube installed on your PC. This is crazy. Now remember the extension that we added. Here it is. Enhancer for YouTube. It's by Vance. You can just click on it. It will take you to the settings. You can change the theme of your YouTube to deep dark. I just selected mine to be deep dark. Scroll down here. You can choose where to place the control bar and block ads or unblock them. I would unblock them because currently we need to give credit where credit is due. Now enjoy your YouTube with no ads. Let's just click through some videos and see. Ooh, what about music for work? Ooh. Ooh la la. Who do we have here? Now be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel.